Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to activate or turn on Talkback in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone here, then go to accessibility and here go to Talkback and turn on the button against Talkback and give permission, click OK. Yes, Talkback is now activated.
Welcome to Talkback.
So you can
Page
get
one of close tutorial. Close button. Allow Talkback to make and manage phone calls.
so
Allow
voice information will be
button.
given, voice
Double tap to activate.
instruction will be given and accordingly you can act. Okay, this Talkback will be useful for those people who are having low vision or blind. Okay, so they can hear the voice and accordingly act. Okay,
Screen
so
off. 6:04 p.m.
to
Allow Talkback to make and manage phone calls.
to
Allow button. Double tap to activate.
to activate some particular item, what you have to do is just double tap on it. Okay, so here I double tap on it. Okay,
Talkback.
see here I go to home
Window navigation bar.
button, so double tap on it.
One UI home.
To go to the settings
Home/Play
page
Store
with the
in
two
Pager.
fingers,
Geo
swipe down like this, then only you can go. You cannot use normal one swipe. Okay, with the two swipe,
Notification shade.
with the two
Out
finger
of
swipe, you
Pager.
can go to the settings area and go to settings,
button.
double tap on it,
Settings.
and to scroll,
Search set.
use like this. Okay, wow, it's very nice. So in this way you can easily activate Talkback in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.